Dear Mr. Derek Monjour, hello, my name is Junior Lloyd. I am a participant at Bright Futures Atlanta. I have been a part of Bright Futures Atlanta for about a year and a half. Last August, I was one of the 4 new additions to Bright Futures Academy. I am in the 7th grade. Since I've joined Bright Futures Atlanta and their academy, I've loved it. Philip and Gail Ross are like second parents to me. Gail is my caring and compassionate mother, and Philip is my stern but loving father. The other kids at Bright Futures Atlanta are my brothers, sisters, and cousins. Thanks, Derek, for your donations to the academy here at Bright Futures. Your donations are making me and all the other kids at BFATL Futures even brighter. Feel free to open your pockets up and donate more. Sincerely, Junior Lloyd.